Hello everyone, this is the Scaremaster, and today I'm going to show you how to put on a Harry Potter costume. This is what it looks like in the bag. Yes, got this from Party City. So, here's the super cool wand. Makes sounds when you wave it around. Here's the Gryffindor robe. Here's a Gryffindor tie. And here are the Harry Potter glasses. So this is an instructional video intended to help you put on your Harry Potter costume. Let's get right into it. So up first is putting the robe on. Okay, first you want to put your arms through the sleeves. Can be a bit difficult to find these sleeves, so just try, and in a moment you'll get there. Now, just a little disclaimer here, this robe does not close. Despite what it shows on the package, the robe closed, but this robe does not close. If you want to close it, you're going to have to sew it closed. But on the other side of the coin, you already got this robe on. Great job. So up next should be putting on the tie, but maybe some of you already know how to tie a tie, so we'll skip all that. So third, you put on the glasses. Unwrap them out of the package first. So just do this, then get them out and put them on. And now let's get this wand situated here. Here's the wand in its super cool packaging. I just have to unbox it here. Oh, dropped it. Oops. So this one takes 2 AA batteries, and to make it light up and make sounds, you just do this. Experience! Oh, wait a minute. Let's try it again. Experience! So now you look like Harry Potter! And of course, from your own items, you're gonna need a white collared shirt. And for the scar, you kind of have to draw one, like this. But either way, you look like Harry Potter now! So, I hope this helped you put on the costume. And if it did, leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to also leave a like. See you next time. Bye. Happy Halloween.